Greetings everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 2 of class 7, that is fraction and decimal. Firstly we discuss what is fraction. Fraction represent a part of a whole and it is expressed in the form of numerator and a denominator. बच्चे फ्रैक्शन वो है जिसको हम न्यूमरेटर ओवर डिनोमिनेटर की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. डेसिमल्स आर द न्यूमेरिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. in decimal denominator may be 10, 100 or any power of 10. Now we will discuss about proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator, whereas an improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater, like 7/5. Now we check how to multiply fraction by a fraction. The first step followed is to multiply the numerator by a numerator and denominator by a denominator, like 3 into 1 3, 4 into 2 8. How to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Here in this example we are having 2/3 multiply 2 times 2/3. So firstly we solve this mixed fraction as 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So this becomes 8/3. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 2 8s are 16 and denominator with denominator. 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 16/9. Now we can reduce it into mixed fraction also. Divide 16 by 9. So you can write it this way: 1 times 7/9. Let us take one more example. 3/8 multiply 6/4. Firstly we solve this simplification. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it is 3 into 3 9 and denominator 4 into 4 16. So the answer is 9/16. Now dividing fraction, inverting and multiply. Firstly in division we invert the second fraction, then simplify any numerator with any denominator and multiply across. We will discuss about division of a fraction with a fraction. We have a number 4/9. Divide 2/3. Firstly, when the number is after division and it is in fractional form, then firstly we must take the reciprocal. Here 2/3 becomes 3/2. When the divide change into multiply, then we take reciprocal of the consecutive number. Then 2/3 becomes 3/2. Now here simplification is possible. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 2 into 1 2 and 3 into 1 3. So final answer is 2/3. Let us take another example. 3/7 divide 8/7. Divide is changing into multiply. So 8/7, here 8/7 becomes 7/8. 8/7 becomes 7/8. 7 in numerator and denominator cancel out. So the answer is 3/8. Here is shown example of dividing a fraction. Here 3/4 is divided by 1/8. Firstly division change into multiplication, so that becomes 8/1. Then final simplification was done to get answer 6. Now we will discuss about reciprocal. How to find reciprocal of a fractional number. We have a number 3/7. So reciprocal is 7/3. Here the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. In reciprocal, just reverse the number. 3 over 7 becomes 7 over 3. Now, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Our next topic is division of a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 or any power of 10. Now we will discuss about how we multiply and divide a decimal number by any power of 10. Next concept, when we multiply a decimal number by 10 or any other power of 10. For example, 1.3 multiply 10. Then there is only one zero. So the decimal gets shifted to the right side one place. Because there is one zero, so decimal shift to one place. So the answer is 13. Now 36.8 multiply 10. Here also we are having one zero, so the decimal will be shifted to the right. So the answer is 368. Similarly, 153.7 into 10, again we are having one zero, so decimal will move to the right to the one place. This is the easy way to multiply with the 10 or any other power of 10. For example, here we are having 3.62 multiply 100. Here we are having two zeros, so the point will move to the right to the two places. So the answer is 362. Now, if we divide a decimal number, division of a decimal number by 10 or any power of 10, like 4.8 divide 10. So here 4.8 over 10, here 10 is in the denominator. So just check the number of zeros, 1 0. So now the decimal will move to the left of the place one digit. So answer is 0.48. Next, 52.5 divide 10. Here also we are having 1 0 in the denominator. When we divide, the decimal shift to the left of the place. Here 1 0, so decimal will move left one place. So the answer is 5.25. Similarly, if we divide by 100, like 2.7 divide 100, then what we are getting, see here we are having two zeros, so decimal will move to the left because it is division. So decimal move to the left but two places, because two zeros, so decimal will take two places. So 1, 2. Here we are not having any digit, so we put here 0. So our answer is 0.027, because two zeros, so one place and two place we put 0. So 0.027 will be the final answer. So these were the basic concepts used in the chapter fraction and decimals. Thank you.